Hello, corn on the cob lovers. You can tell that I'm home by myself because I'm making a stupid video about how to cook corn on the cob in the microwave. I already have one in here. I put it in the microwave with all the husk, everything on it for 4 minutes. Now I'm going to take this dish rag, grab a hold of the silk end, and take it out because it's hot. You take this, you come up on the cob part about 1/4 inch and cut that off just like that. Cut the end off. Take the rag and grab it at the silk end. Give it a little squeeze. Stick your fork in here. I usually do that. Pull the husk off of there and all the silk and everything comes right off. And you have a nice, clean corn on the cob to eat. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Hope you have a nice evening. I'm going to go eat my corn. Bye.